Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to use the map search function within Matrix as they are going away with area and sub area. And sorry if it's a little loud, I've got the construction right out my window. But let me share my screen and I will show you guys what the map search looks like. So I have Matrix pulled up. From here, I'm going to go over to search and then run a quick residential search. You have a few ways to get to the map portion. You can select this icon up here at the top right. You can select this text here, map search, or this map icon down below. Any way will get you to this page here. And just a quick overview of the page, you are able to zoom in and out by using controls on the right-hand side. You can also use the scroll of your mouse or any of your quick keys. However you like to usually scroll in and out, you are able to use here. This is your toolbar. So these are the tools you're going to be using to build your map search. Jump to address is just a way where you can basically zoom into a specific location to get you started. So you could use my current location. That's going to draw me, around the uptown area here at the office. You can actually type in a specific address. Just hit enter, and that's going to take you to the address from which you can build your search from. There's also these defaults that you can utilize. So let's say we want to run a search around Bishop Arts District. We can zoom in a little bit, and we're going to use these tools up here. So the first tool you have here is layers. This is just data that you can add to your map to help you build your search. So let's say we want to make sure we're falling within a certain zip code. We have that layer added, and you can see the blue lines have been added that outline. Here's all of 75208, here's 75224, 75203, so on and so forth. If you add a layer and you want to get rid of it, just come back up here and uncheck it, and it will remove it from your map. From here, really the most useful tools are going to be your drawing tools. So you can freehand a shape. You can use a polygon, which is actually my preference. You can use a rectangle, or you can draw a radius around a specific address. Let's start with radius. You guys can see what that looks like. Say we want to build this radius around Bishop Arts. Select draw radius. And then I have to get in on a property. So say we want to start from there. We drag and hold our mouse as we bring the radius out. So you can keep going as far as you like, but let's just say we want to do, a mile outside of Bishop Arts. We let go once we hit 1 mile, and you can see we now have a mile radius around this address in Bishop Arts. If you want to remove something you've drawn, you just hit this clear all shape, and that will remove your radius or whatever shape you've drawn. Let me show you what a polygon looks like, because this is what will help you navigate around like certain interstates, or if there's areas that you want to stay away from. It's a good way to do that. So I'm going to hit draw polygon, and let's say I want to start up here. I want to come all the way over to 35, but I don't want to cross over 35. I can kind of draw along the interstate and build my own map. And then you can come up, and then you can meet it. If you ever need to change the lines, the boundaries, you can actually hover over this blue line until you see this little dot pop up, and you can bring it, wherever you need to bring it to. So you can see once we've done that, once we've drawn our shape, if you go back to criteria, you can type in, all of your normal criteria. Let's say we want to do 300 to 500. at least 2 beds, 2 baths, you see that this number is changing as we type in more criteria and we hit results. You're going to see all of the properties that meet that criteria within this area that we drew. That's kind of the basic overview. I think that I'm going to have a class. Becky and I have discussed me having a class to go over this in more detail and answer any questions that you guys have. So I will send that out when it gets set up. And if you guys have any more questions in the meantime, just let me know. Thank you.